It's now 5:01. Happening today, University of California officials will answer questions about plans to end a 4-year freeze on tuition hikes in the season. Worst case scenario, fee increases each year for the next 5 years. ABC 7 News reporter Nick Smith is live at UC Berkeley. Nick, why now?
Well, they say that they have to make up for a budget shortfall. You know, things are quiet right now, but I can tell you that once students actually get up and moving, I'm sure they'll have a lot to say, because UC President Jenna Napolitano says it is necessary to raise student fees at the 10 campuses in order to make up for that budget shortfall. Take a look at some of the video that we have of here at the campus. President Napolitano is expected to present the proposal to the university's governing board. In September, they discussed a $125 million budget shortfall. She says the hike is necessary to fulfill a goal she set when she became UC president last year of making tuition hike a predictable part of the university's budget, so both families and campuses will know what to expect. Get this, under the proposal, the average cost of a UC education for a California resident would increase to $12,804 for fall of 2015 and grow to $15,564 in the fall of 2019. Tuition at the UC system has been frozen for the last 3 years, and Napolitano says the hikes could be reduced if the university gets more money from the state than it is expecting. Now get this, guys, I did a little bit of the math, and just to give you an idea of how much tuition has gone up since I was a student here in 1999 as an in-state student, my undergraduation registration fees, Kristen, Eric, were $2,088. Get that. That's a difference of nearly $13,500. At UC Berkeley, Nick Smith, ABC 7
Well,
News.
Nick, mine was even lower, but I won't say how low because then you'll figure out when I graduated, okay? All right, thanks for the info, Nick.
Cal's new athletic admissions policy